Hello, kids. Welcome to the Al Heather Cartoon for Kids. Today's exciting story is going to be a fun, and I hope you are going to enjoy this. Before starting a story, do like, share, and subscribe the Al Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's start. Peaceful forest. Rocky the horse and Bunty the deer were best friends. Rocky had a shiny brown coat and Bunty had soft spotted fur. Every day they played and explored the forest together. They loved to run through the red trees and over the jump streams. One sunny day, Rocky challenged Bunty to a race across the meadow. I bet I can run faster than you, said Rocky confidently. Bunty smiled and agreed. Let's see, Bunty replied. The race was set and both were excited to start the race. Rocky says, Are you ready, Bunty? Do we start the race? They start as they reached. Bunty took a different path, hopping over rocks and trees. Rocky followed the usual path, galloping through the meadow. At one point, Bunty was ahead, but suddenly she stumbled and fell into a thorn bushes. Ouch! She cried and feeling so hurt. She screaming and called for help. Help! Rocky! I am stuck! Rocky heard Bunty's cry and stopped immediately. He reached back to help her. Are you okay, Bunty? Rocky asked with concern. Bunty nodded, but she was hurt. I'll help you, don't worry, Rocky said. He carefully nudged her out of the thorns bush. Rocky's strong hooves helping her to get free. After a short struggle, Bunty was free and happy. At last, Bunty got free from thorn bushes. Bunty smiled and feeling grateful. Thank you, Rocky. You stopped to help me, even though we were racing. Rocky smiled back. It's not about the winning the race. It's about helping each other. When times get tough, they both laughed and agreed that friendship is more important than any race. Next day, Rocky and Bunty decide to race again. But this time they reached together, helping each other along the way. They both reached the finish line at the same time, and laughing and cheering for the another. Bunty says it was fun. We will both. Rocky smiled and jumped around the Bunty and says, Yes, it is, my dear friend. We will both. This is the beauty of life, to help each other and stay happy and satisfied. After the race, Rocky and Bunty went going home and happy and after ever. And the story goes to end. So dear kids, the moral of the story is the winning is not important. It's kindness. And helping others, true friends always support each other. I hope you liked the story. I'll meet you in the next exciting and informative story. Until goodbye.